Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to create these lace dot sprayed cornrows. I'm beginning the styling by creating the part lines. First, you need the middle parting, and then you need to separate each side into pieces, so you will have total of 4 pieces. The front is triangle shaped, and then it will curve down back. After parting, I spray some water to the first piece, and I will start from the right side on top. Then I take a small piece of hair and share the piece in 3 strands. Then I start to braid a normal dot braid. I bring strands from side under to the middle and add hair from the both sides of the braid. So right under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair, left under, add hair, right under, add hair, and left under, add hair. Keep on repeating this pattern. When you get to the end and the last pieces of the hair added inside the braid, stop braiding at this point and secure the braid with an elastic. Then I will create the same to the left side, to the top piece too. And you need again 3 strands. Then just start to bring strands from side under to the middle and add hair from the both sides of the braid. Suspend the braiding also on this side after the last addings. Then I will move to the lace braids. Again, I spray some water before starting. And then I take 3 strands and start to braid. Again, bringing strands from side under to the middle. This time I just add hair only from the right side. That makes the braid follow close to the part line and close to the other braid. So bring the left strand under without addings, and then the right under and add hair. Left under, right under, add hair. Left under, right under, add hair. Left under, right under, add hair. Keep on repeating the pattern. If you have troubles to make the braid follow the part line as high as you would like to, you can also add a super small piece from the left side in the way that the strand will hold on the braid closer to the first braid, and it won't show up. If you add just small piece, it won't show out, and everyone thinks that it's a lace braid, even if it's not. When I got the last addings in, I will release the first braid and place the braids on top of each other in the way that I can bring right strands together, left strands together, and the middle strands together. Then I just continue braiding a regular 3-strand braid with all these strands. Next, I will create the similar lace braid to the another side as well. So 3 strands. Then start to move strands from side, under to the middle. Then add hair, skip adding, add hair, skip adding, add hair. So it's just the same pattern as before, but this time as a mirror. So bring the right strand under, add hair. Then move the left under, right under, add hair. Left under, right under, add hair. Left under, right under, add hair. Keep on repeating. Once you're added all the hair in, again release the another braid and place the braids on top of each other's. Right strands together, left strands together, and the middle strands together. Then just keep on braiding until the end of the hair. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!